Today, we're going sky high with the K919 MAX GPS Drone, a serious piece of aerial tech made for creators, pros, and anyone who wants next-level stability, clarity, and control. The first thing you'll notice is how robust this drone is. Constructed with carbon fiber materials, the K919 MAX is built to resist drops and scratches, so you can fly hard and explore without fear. In its folded form, it's compact, around 18 by 10 by 10.5 centimeters. But once the arms open up, it becomes a full 37 by 34.5 centimeter aerial machine, ready to soar with power. At the heart of its imaging system, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal providing pitch, roll, and yaw stabilization with up to 110 degrees pitch, 45 degrees roll, and 65 degrees yaw. This allows for ultra-smooth cinematic shots even when you're changing direction or flying aggressively. The drone's camera itself is powerful. You're getting 4K video at 30 FPS paired with EIS, electronic image stabilization, meaning your footage stays steady, fluid, and free of shakes. Control comes via a 4.5-inch screen remote, and thanks to its 5G Wi-Fi relay transmission, you get extended, stable video feed even at long distance. The signal strength is boosted by a built-in repeater to help maintain a clean link. Safety isn't an afterthought. The K919 MAX features infrared and optional laser-based obstacle avoidance, letting it sense barriers in multiple directions and navigate more confidently. With GPS satellite positioning and optical flow stabilization, the drone can return to home reliably, maintain precise location, and fly with great accuracy even when your path is complex or windy. Powering this beast is a 7.4-volt, 4,500 mAh smart lithium battery, giving it a flight time of approximately 28 minutes, solid endurance for aerial photography or surveying missions. It takes about 4 hours to fully recharge, so plan accordingly. Driving the K919 MAX are its brushless 1504 motors, known for strong performance, reliability, and better wind handling. So even in breezy conditions, this drone stays stable. You also have an adjustable lens, controllable from the remote, tilted up or down up to 110 degrees, perfect for switching between cinematic landscapes and overhead bird's-eye shots. Want to zoom in? This drone can handle that too. Thanks to its 50x focal length zoom, you can get close-up shots of distant subjects without compromising on clarity. In short, the K919 MAX GPS drone isn't a beginner quadcopter. It's a serious aerial workhorse, combining long-range control, ultra-stable video, intelligent avoidance, and rugged build, all in a portable package. If you want a drone that balances professional camera features with durable, long-endurance performance, the K919 MAX could be the one. Fly further, film sharper, explore bigger.